we decided we will extend the roof or raise the roof by 1 foot. So the idea is to insert a box that we make from aluminum, cut the beams here, and then insert this box above it, and then re-weld and rejoin the studs to the new frame. We are using the same aluminum that is currently in the existing frame, and here is the box with the supporting struts that will be welded and then inserted into the front, and we'll have it on all sides. We'll have the long ones on the left and the right, and then the two short ones, one in the front and one at the back. We decided to remove the back doors and then seal it up totally, as well as replace the old filament lights up top there with some LED lights. Braiding or sanding with 180 grit sandpaper. There I'm applying the edged primer on the bare surface as well as the body filler